Here you are, Christian Bale on American Psycho.
In this video, I will reproduce his haircut and style.
Roll that tape!
To cut the top of the head, I will section this area. Then I will measure the length of the bangs just past the middle of the nose. Using this length as a guide, I will cut a straight line parallel to the floor, about 6 fingers of width on length. This style is a square form and is very masculine. If you're interested in getting this style, at the end of this video I'll add some commentary to share with you if this is going to be great for your face type or your hair type. Continue cutting the same design line towards the back until you reach the crown area. At this point, I will change the direction of my sectioning from horizontal to vertical. I will still continue in the same finger position parallel to the floor. At the end of this video, I will share with all you guys which video I'll be doing next. Follow me on Instagram to see what I'm going to be doing next and to see some videos on the behind the scenes. If you like to help this channel grow, share the short videos on your social media. TikTok and Instagram, they are perfect for that. You will be doing me and the channel a great favor. As you can see here on the crown area, the length of the hair is about 4 fingers of width. This is shorter than the 6 fingers that we did on the front area on the bangs area. This is normal in any square-shaped haircut and is due to the curved area on the forehead. Continue cutting the hair around the head, maintaining the square shape, using your fingers in position perpendicular to the floor. On this area, I cut the hair slightly shorter than the original look of Christian because I wanted to make it a little bit more modern. On the sides, I will cut the hair about 3 fingers on width, and 3 sections will be about enough. This style is inspired on the 80s and it is a classic men's look. A great alternative for professionals that they want to have a longer hairstyle. I wear this style multiple times myself. Continue cutting the hair around the head, cutting the same 3 fingers of length. If you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends. It makes the biggest difference. Thank you to all of you for your support. Let's see if you can get to 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. If you have this problem on your hair, it's sticking out, strong colic, or you would like to change the direction of the hair, I am planning to do a video with my friend John. He is an expert on down perms and has great solutions for you. On top of that, he is one of the members of my educational team. If you have any other ideas or any technical video that you want me to do, post a suggestion on the commentary area. To connect the sides with the top area, continue cutting the hair perpendicular to the floor. It's very easy to see what needs to be cut. On the nape area, I will create a graduation, connecting the 3 fingers width with the 2 fingers only on the nape area. If you'd like to see a longer version of this look, check out the video tutorial I did on Steve from Stranger Things. I'll leave you a link on the top corner. That version is more informal, but use the same square shape. To dry the hair, I will use wax from 1821. This product is ideal for medium to thick hair. It will help you to control the style and give it a shape with a casual finish and natural support. Cut the perimeter of the nape with a solid form and straight, following the square overall look of this style. Brush the hair from one side to the other to control the volume. On the sideburns area, I will do some shears over comb to graduate the perimeter. To finish this look, I will use pomade from 1821. Continue following the cutting line and using the texturizing shears add some texture. How much texturizing you need, it will depend on the density and thickness of your hair. In this case, it's medium. This is a fundamental part for this style to achieve the flow and make it easy to wear. Continue the same process on the top area. And remove some of the bulk at the ends on the interior layers. Basically, we are recreating the same haircut, but texturizing in 1 to 2 fingers of length around the haircut we previously did. On the sideburns area, I will do some shears over comb to graduate the perimeter. To finish this look, I will use pomade from 1821. Add some water to create a lighter-like gel version. Now using my fingers, I will mold the style, giving it direction and shape. This look is ideal for square and round faces. It will look good on oval faces too. And it's okay on diamond and heart shapes on some cases, depending on the person. This style works best on thick and medium hair types, and any texture hair. Obviously, it will look different with different texture hair. In reality, you won't need to do much to style this hair. It has a strong shape. Use some hairspray to hold this area so it maintains the shape longer. Here is the 360 view of this modern take on an 80s classic. The next week I will post the video with the style of Utah. I know a lot of you asked for it, so here it comes.
This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.